Welcome viewers to another section of my class. I said knowledge is power, and this is where you can achieve that objective of getting yourself fully equipped with needed tools to deal with the mathematical problems in your business, in your career, your education, wherever you find yourself. And today I want to solve a problem on the composition function, which is also a composite function. And a composition function simply means bringing two functions together, bringing two functions as an input, you understand, to perform a mathematical operation to give output as an end product. That is what function is all about. And now I have two functions here, which is f of x and g of x. Let me write it out. I have g of x as a function and also f of x as another function. Bringing these two functions together to perform an operation to get the needed output, maybe for business or for decision making, for everything, for statistical analysis. Good. We have a problem here which says given that a function fx is equals to x minus 1 and another function again g x is equals to x raised to power 2 minus 1. So we're asked to simplify the function of 1 g minus f to g all over f. Good. Let's start with number 1, which says g minus f x function. Basically, this means that this simply means g of x minus f of x. These are two functions. Combining two functions, that is what it simply means. So quickly, let's see what g of x represents in this function here. So g of x is x raised to power 2 minus x raised to power 2 minus 1. And we have a negative sign here. And f of x is x minus 1. We have g of x as our function. Good. There's something I want you to understand here. Whenever you see a negative sign before a parenthesis, it indicates that there is a missing number, and that missing number is always 1. It's always 1. So let me just put that missing number before this parenthesis to open up this bracket here, so that we can be able to solve this problem here. So let me use this as an arrow. So bring in negative 1, which is before the parenthesis that is missing. Like I said before, whenever you see a negative sign before a parenthesis, it indicates there's a missing number, and that missing number is 1. So we have that 1 here in the closed bracket of x minus 1. So let me open up this bracket here. So negative 1 multiplied by x. So we have negative 1 multiplied by x is a negative x. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, here we have positive 1. So we have opened up this bracket. So let me just move it towards this side. So we have g of x, g minus f function, which is equals to x raised to power 2 minus 1. So we have negative x plus 1. So let me clean up this to avoid confusion. So basically, we can simply solve this problem straight, you understand? So we have negative 1 here and positive 1. So automatically, these two here strike off themselves because we have negative 1 and negative and positive 1 here. So they're all gone. So we are left with x to the power 2 minus x here. So we have g of x function that we are looking for So we have this, but we are not done yet with this problem. There's something common here if we're to factorize. So we can say x here, so that we can be able to do a simple factorization. So this cancel this. So we're left with just one x here, cancel one, we're left with just one x here. So automatically this becomes x to close bracket of x minus 1. And g of x function is equals to this problem here. Good. And I want to appeal to you viewers to subscribe and also share this video so I can be able to reach other people that need this. You understand? Because I said knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. So thank you very much. There's a number below to call if you need special attention for your kids. Thank you.